Hi everyone, welcome to Captain Max Aviation Insights. Take a seat in the cockpit next to me, flying with an Airbus A330 to A.N.R. Robinson International Airport, formerly Crown Point International Airport, located in the southwesternmost part of the island of Tobago in Crown Point. The airport is one of two international airports serving the Twin Isle Republic of Trinidad Tobago. The other airport is located on the island of Trinidad. If you're interested flying with Captain Max to fantastic destinations all around the world, leave thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and comment below. Thank you very much for your support. As we're descending down toward the clouds, the sun is already close to the horizon. We are about to finish a long duty day with fantastic approach and landing in the Caribbean. The runway in use for landing is runway 11, and the expected type of approach is an RNP approach. RNP means required navigation performance and is a type of approach procedure that relies on precise aircraft navigation capabilities. It allows aircrafts to fly predetermined paths with high accuracy using onboard avionics without relying on any ground-based navigational aids, like the well-known Instrumental Landing System ILS. That means we are independent from any ground-based station. We're descending down to 2,300 feet, our initial altitude for the approach, and aligning with the extended center line for runway 11. Capturing the 3 degrees descent profile, we are on final approach. The flaps extended, landing gear down and locked, landing clearance received from Robinson Tower. We are ready for a smooth touchdown.
200. 100. 70. 60. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 10. 5.
The main gear kisses the runway, followed by the nose wheel, as a light puff of smoke marks the touchdown. Reverse thrust is engaged and the massive jet decelerates gracefully down to taxi speed. We're slowing down and approaching the end of the runway. Since there is no parallel taxiway available at Robinson International Airport, we need to perform a backtrack, a 180-degree turn at the end of runway, using the turning pad just right next to the runway edge. Alright, we are at the end of runway, first turning right onto the turning pad before we initiate a long left turn.
Second. Backtrack RWY, vacate via Charlie parking gate 11.
On runway 29.
With a well-executed turn, our Airbus A330 is rolling steadily toward the apron. Backtracking always feels a bit like driving the wrong way on a one-way street, but don't worry, we have the clearance doing so. During a backtrack, no other airplane can land. That means the controller has to plan approaches between arriving aircraft with enough spacing, considering the taxi time for the backtracking aircraft before the next airplane can arrive. We are arriving the apron and have to vacate the runway via taxiway Charlie. The apron itself isn't that big and has only 7 parking stands. Alright folks, taxi to our stand now. Ground crew is ready, stairs standing by, let's get this beauty parked. For the passengers, it's the beginning of their Tobago adventure. For the flight crew, a day in paradise before returning back to home base. Engine spooling down, stairs connected, and the flight comes to an end. Thanks for watching, Captain Max. Please give us thumbs up, subscribe this channel, and do not forget to comment. Take care, bye bye and cheerio.